In the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence, generative language models like OpenAI's GPT series have become pivotal. GPT-5 is the latest iteration in this groundbreaking series, promising enhancements that could redefine natural language processing. This video delves into the key differences between GPT-4 and GPT-5, explores GPT-5's new features, analyzes its capabilities, and highlights its limitations. Let's uncover how GPT-5 might revolutionize the way we interact with AI. GPT-5, the new features. Number 1. Enhanced architecture. The backbone of GPT-5 lies in its cutting-edge architecture. While GPT-4 relied on a transformer-based model, GPT-5 incorporates graph neural networks alongside attention mechanisms to improve context comprehension. This combination allows GPT-5 to process not just sequential word relationships, but also more complex interconnections between ideas, enabling it to generate more coherent and accurate responses. Graph neural networks excel at analyzing structured data like knowledge graphs, which enhances GPT-5's ability to navigate context-rich environments such as technical manuals or legal documents. By bridging the gap between sequential text processing and complex network-based understanding, GPT-5 can provide outputs that are both precise and context-aware. Number 2. Advanced training techniques. A critical factor that sets GPT-5 apart is the scale and diversity of its training dataset. GPT-4 was trained on around 570 billion tokens, but GPT-5's dataset could exceed 1 trillion tokens, encompassing a broader array of languages, dialects, and domains. Moreover, GPT-5 leverages unsupervised learning, a technique where the model learns from unstructured data without explicit labels. This makes it exceptionally adaptable to tasks where labeled data is scarce or unavailable. The inclusion of unsupervised learning methods improves GPT-5's ability to understand and respond to nuanced inputs, ranging from sarcastic remarks to highly technical queries. As a result, GPT-5 delivers more versatile and refined responses across various contexts. Number 3. Superior language understanding. One of the most striking advancements in GPT-5 is its ability to comprehend and generate nuanced language. GPT-4 struggled with subtleties like sarcasm, idioms, and irony, often producing literal or incoherent responses. GPT-5's refined modeling tackles these challenges by using context-sensitive attention mechanisms to identify emotional undertones and implied meanings. For example, if a user says, "Great, another Monday," GPT-5 can interpret the sarcasm and generate a suitable response, showcasing its ability to mimic human-like understanding. This capability enhances its applications in creative industries, customer service, and even therapeutic conversations, where empathy and nuance are critical. Number 4. Multilingual proficiency. GPT-5's multilingual capabilities mark a significant improvement over GPT-4, which primarily focused on English and a few major languages. With enhanced support for over 50 languages, including less common ones like Swahili, Basque, and Farsi, GPT-5 is poised to facilitate global communication like never before. It incorporates techniques such as cross-lingual embedding alignment, allowing it to draw parallels between languages even with limited training data. This capability benefits industries like e-commerce, where real-time translation can bridge gaps between sellers and buyers across different countries. Furthermore, GPT-5's multilingual support extends to generating culturally aware responses, taking into account idiomatic expressions and local sensitivities. Potential applications of GPT-5. Number 1. Language translation. GPT-5's sophisticated translation capabilities elevate it beyond traditional language tools. Unlike earlier models or systems, it excels in understanding contextual subtleties, cultural nuances, and idiomatic expressions. This ability ensures that translations feel natural, accurate, and localized rather than overly formal or robotic. For example, translating a phrase like "kick the bucket" into its culturally appropriate equivalent in another language avoids the pitfalls of literal interpretation. This technology is poised to revolutionize industries such as international trade, where real-time and context-aware translations can streamline cross-border communication. In customer service, businesses operating globally can deploy GPT-5 to handle queries in multiple languages, fostering better relationships with customers regardless of geography. In the education sector, GPT-5 can support multilingual learning by translating educational materials and lectures into various languages without losing their intended meaning. Number 2. Conversational AI and chatbots. GPT-5 is redefining how conversational AI systems operate by bridging the gap between artificial and human-like interactions. Traditional chatbots often rely on scripted responses, making them ill-equipped for complex or emotionally charged conversations. GPT-5, however, leverages its advanced language comprehension and empathy modeling to engage users more meaningfully. This has profound implications for customer support, where empathetic and accurate responses can improve user satisfaction. For example, GPT-5-powered systems can detect when a customer is frustrated and adjust their tone or escalate the issue to human agents. In healthcare, conversational AI systems can use GPT-5 to assist patients with basic medical queries, schedule appointments, or even provide mental health support by recognizing signs of stress or anxiety in real time. Furthermore, industries such as banking and e-commerce can benefit from GPT-5's conversational capabilities by deploying chatbots for onboarding processes, troubleshooting, and personalized product recommendations. Number 3. Content creation. GPT-5 is setting new standards for content generation by producing high-quality, engaging, and contextually accurate outputs. Whether the task is drafting a blog post, writing product descriptions, or creating a marketing campaign, GPT-5 ensures the results align with the intended tone and style. For example, marketers can rely on GPT-5 to generate detailed social media posts tailored to specific audiences while maintaining brand consistency. Creative industries also stand to gain significantly. GPT-5 can compose poetry, screenplays, or fictional narratives, showcasing an advanced understanding of story arcs and emotional depth. In technical fields, it can generate well-researched articles or instructional content, reducing the time and effort required for manual writing. Additionally, it offers immense value in automating repetitive tasks such as generating email templates or summarizing long documents. By empowering individuals and organizations with faster, cost-effective content creation, GPT-5 democratizes access to high-quality outputs, allowing smaller players to compete effectively. Number 4. Question answering systems. One of GPT-5's standout features is its ability to serve as a knowledge retrieval tool, offering precise, well-structured answers to complex queries. This goes beyond simple fact-checking. GPT-5 can provide contextually rich explanations, analyze the implications of questions, and deliver nuanced responses. For example, when asked, "How does blockchain technology impact supply chain management?" GPT-5 could generate a detailed response covering traceability, efficiency, and security. This capability is invaluable for sectors like technical support, where users need instant, accurate solutions to product-related issues. Similarly, in academic research, GPT-5 can assist students and professionals by summarizing scholarly articles, analyzing trends, or even providing insights based on historical data. Its ability to distill vast amounts of information into coherent and actionable answers can also benefit industries like legal services and financial advisory, where time-sensitive and detailed responses are critical. By saving users the effort of manually searching and analyzing information, GPT-5 enhances productivity and decision-making. Number 5. Personalization. GPT-5's ability to learn and adapt to individual preferences is unlocking unprecedented levels of personalization. Unlike generic recommendation systems, GPT-5 can tailor outputs to reflect a user's unique needs, interests, and context. For instance, in e-commerce, it can recommend products not only based on past purchases, but also by analyzing a user's browsing patterns, wish lists, and even real-time behavior. In entertainment, GPT-5 can curate highly personalized playlists, suggest movies or books, and even generate content tailored to specific user interests. Similarly, in education, GPT-5 can create customized learning modules that adapt to a student's pace and areas of difficulty, enhancing their overall learning experience. Personalization also plays a pivotal role in healthcare, where GPT-5 can assist in crafting personalized wellness plans or delivering reminders tailored to a patient's medical history and lifestyle. By making interactions more meaningful and relevant, GPT-5 is driving user engagement and satisfaction across a wide range of industries. Limitations and challenges of GPT-5. Number 1. Bias in language generation. GPT-5's reliance on massive datasets from the internet exposes it to inherent biases in the training material. For example, skewed representation of certain demographics or cultural stereotypes can lead to biased outputs. These biases can manifest in subtle ways, such as promoting gendered language in career-related queries or reinforcing negative stereotypes in conversational contexts. Addressing this issue requires robust bias detection mechanisms and ongoing monitoring to minimize harm. Number 2. Ethical concerns. The ability of GPT-5 to generate realistic and convincing text raises ethical dilemmas. It could be misused for malicious purposes, such as generating fake news, impersonating individuals, or conducting phishing attacks. For instance, cybercriminals could exploit GPT-5 to craft personalized scam messages that are nearly indistinguishable from legitimate communications. This underscores the need for strict ethical guidelines and oversight in deploying such advanced models. Number 3. Resource intensity. GPT-5's training and operational demands are immense, requiring high-performance computing resources and significant energy consumption. This limits its accessibility to large organizations with sufficient funding, potentially excluding smaller players from leveraging its capabilities. The environmental impact of running such resource-intensive models also raises sustainability concerns, prompting a need for more energy-efficient algorithms and hardware. Number 4. Variability in multilingual proficiency. While GPT-5 supports multiple languages, its effectiveness is not uniform across all of them. Languages with limited training data or low resource settings may suffer from reduced accuracy and fluency. For example, GPT-5 may excel in translating widely spoken languages like English and Mandarin, but struggle with regional dialects or indigenous languages. Ensuring equitable performance across languages requires targeted efforts to expand and diversify training datasets. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think about GPT-5 and its potential. See you in the next video.